Hello, and thanks for stopping by the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today, I am going to be transforming my bathroom into a personal spa for myself. So if you're interested in what that's going to look like, then just keep watching. Now, what you're seeing now is the before, nothing special. But I'm going to be making a few very minor changes in here just to make it a more enjoyable spa experience for myself. Now, I am born in the month of August, and normally every August is when I treat myself and I go for a spa day. This year, I will not be able to do that because of the coronavirus, so I'm making my own. So I'm starting in this corner. As you can see, it's just plain. But now I've added some flowers and also a towel on the rack just to give it a little fancy touch. And now I'm over here to my shower. I always keep eucalyptus in my shower, so that's always there. But I've decided to add a shower curtain over my shower door. So I bought one of those retractable shower rods. I got that from a store called Roses. Roses is where I got this from. And Roses is a really old store that's been around forever. And I believe they may be only in the South. But anyway, I went over there and I picked up this shower rod. I believe it was like $7.99, and it is adjustable. No need for any nails or anything like that. So I'm just trying to figure out how high I want to put it up there. It was pretty easy to do because you just adjust it, you turn it, and then you just lock it into place. But because I had never done one before, it took me a little bit of a minute to figure it out. But eventually I got it up there. So that's what I'm doing here, is just kind of looking and trying to figure out the height of it. Now, all of the items that I use for this little makeover are either from Roses, TJ Maxx, and Dollar Tree. Oh, and Hobby Lobby. There's one thing that I hauled the other day from Hobby Lobby that you'll see in there. So it's very inexpensive change that I've done. The flowers came from the 70% off sale at Michael's and also from Hobby Lobby as well. So these are the curtains that I picked up, and those are from TJ Maxx. They were $19.99, and they are just the grommet panels that I got, and I got them in the 96-inch length. And I love the way they turned out. I would have loved to have had them from the ceiling down, but my ladder wasn't set up like that. So it worked out perfectly. And so now I just have a whole different look to the bathroom with the curtains on here. So I was really excited about that. And then this little candle set I picked up at Roses. Now, that wasn't a part of the plan, but when I was in there to get the shower rod, I saw this. It was $5.99, so why not, right? So then I looked at the floor and I'm like, okay, an upgrade for some rugs. So I put the white rugs down and a black rug, and I brought that table down from upstairs that was already in my home, and I just moved it down here. This little fountain here was on a clearance rack at Lowe's, and the reason I really liked it is because it's battery operated, which is perfect because I can move it around to different places. That little bling vase there is a DIY gone wrong, but I have found a way to repurpose it. Those stones are on there all different kind of ways. I just kind of hot glued them on some Dollar Tree bowls and put a Dollar Tree candle in there, and so that's what that is. But I found a way to put it to use. So this little candle tray, like I said, it came from Roses. It was $5.99. And that's pretty much all I did to transform it. I put a candle on the table that I brought from upstairs in my home. It's actually a plant table, but I move it all around wherever I feel that I need it or want to have it at any given time. So for now, it's in the bathroom. And that is my spa look. So in a minute, you're going to see my whole new vibe, which I absolutely love. So even though I can't go to the spa this year, I I just don't feel comfortable doing that, and I don't want to expose myself unnecessarily. So I'm going to bring it to my house. So here is my vibe. I hope you enjoy. Now these shower bombs are some that I made myself. I do have a video on that. If you've not seen that, I will link it in the iCard above. But I love to put these in the shower, and they have essential oils in them, and they just make such a beautiful spa experience. I just love essential oils. Now, what's a spa day without a nice glass of wine? Well, that's all I have today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and come on back by and see what I'm doing next time on the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Bye-bye.